Welcome to the Crypto Investments channel. In this video I will talk about Cardano price prediction and Cardano news today. If you like the video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Write in the comments your price forecast for Cardano in 2022. Cardano is a proof-of-stake blockchain platform that says its goal is to allow changemakers, innovators and visionaries to bring about positive global change. Cardano was founded back in 2017 and named after the 16th century Italian polymath Girolamo Cardano. The native ADA token takes its name from the 19th century mathematician Ada Lovelace, widely regarded as the world's first computer programmer. The ADA token is designed to ensure that owners can participate in the operation of the network. Because of this, those who hold the cryptocurrency have the right to vote on any proposed changes to the software. In August 2021, Charles Hoskinson announced the launch of the Alonso hard fork, causing Cardano price to surge, gaining 116% in the following month. On September 12, 2021, the Cardano Alonso hard fork officially launched, bringing smart contract functionality to the blockchain. Over 100 smart contracts were deployed in the following 24 hours after the launch. Cardano is used by agricultural companies to track fresh produce from field to fork, while other products built on the platform allow educational credentials to be stored in a tamper-proof way, and retailers to clamp down on counterfeit goods. So let's start with the most important news of the past days about Cardano. Cardano's Charles Hoskinson criticizes Consensus, claims Morgan has no stakes in Cardano. Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson has taken to Twitter to issue a public response on the matter of Consensus' disclosure of a 2020 deal, which saw Morgan Chase acquire what has been called an influential stake on two of Consensus' CAG flagship products, MetaMask and Infer. According to Hoskinson, Morgan has no stakes in the Cardano blockchain, and that neither does it have any presence or control in any critical Cardano infrastructure. According to the special audit filed by 35 shareholders from Consensus AG, there were fundamental intellectual property and subsidiaries illegally transferred from CAG into a new entity, Consensus Softwares as an Ethereum killer among other similar Layer 1 blockchains that have sought to compete with Ethereum's dominance. The second news today is Cardano, assessing the odds of ADA's near-term price revival. Since hitting its Cardano, ADA, has downturned and practically swayed below its 20 to 50 EMA. The decline proved to be alarming for the bulls as they failed to defend the critical 94-cent mark. Assuming the willingness of the bulls to keep a foothold on the 13-month-long support near the $0.843–0.824 range, ADA should aim for near-term revival. While the price seemed skewed towards the cheaper side of the Bollinger Bands, ADA positioned itself to test its 20 EMA red before a slight pullback to its long-term support. At press time, the altcoin was trading at $0.835. Disclaimer. The findings of the following analysis are the sole opinions of the writer, and should not be considered investment advice. Since hitting its Cardano, ADA, has downturned and practically swayed below it in generalizing head and tail communication. And this was his overview of the Hydra Hat Protocol. The Hydra Hat Protocol is the first component of the Hydra architecture to be publicly released. It allows a set of participants to create an off-chain state channel, called a head, wherein they can run smart contracts or process simpler transactions among each other without interaction with the underlying blockchain in the optimistic case, where all head participants adhere to the protocol. The state channel offers very fast settlement and high transaction throughput. Furthermore, it requires very little storage, as the off-chain transaction history can be deleted as soon as its resulting state has been secured via an off-chain snapshot operation. Channels is implemented in the context of the Lightning Network. It is complemented by the Tail protocol, which enables those high-performance participants to provide scalability for large numbers of end users who may use the system from low-powered devices, such as mobile phones, and who may be offline for extended periods of time. While heads and tails can already communicate via the Cardano mainchain, the cross-head and tail communication protocol provides an efficient off-chain variant of this functionality. All this is tied together by routing and configuration management, while virtualization facilitates faster communicate. Transaction volume nears $70 billion as TVL on its DeFi protocols tops $400 million. The transaction volume seen on the Cardano $ADA network has recently gotten close to the $70 billion mark, surpassing the volume seen on the Bitcoin $BTC and Ethereum $ETH networks. Cardano's surging volumes come as the total value locked on its decentralized finance DeFi apps tops $400 million. According to data from Messari, Cardano's daily transaction volume was at one point close to the $70 billion mark, above BTC's $15.9 billion and Ethereum's $3.6 billion. The only other chain that in a 24-hour period surpassed $1 billion in transaction volume was that of Litecoin $LTC. Transaction volumes on the Cardano net was all three of the scalability challenges mentioned above: high transaction throughput, low latency, and minimal storage per node. While Hydra is being designed in conjunction with the Ouroboros protocol and the Cardano ledger, it may be employed over other systems as well, provided they share the necessary salient characteristics with Cardano. Despite being an integrated system aimed at solving one problem, scalability, Hydra consists of several sub-protocols. This is necessary as the Cardano ecosystem itself is heterogeneous and consists of multiple entities with differing technical capabilities. The system supports block producers with associated stake pools, high-throughput wallets as used by exchanges, but also end users with a wide variety of computational performance and availability characteristics. It is unrealistic to expect that a one-shoe-fits-all, single-protocol approach is sufficient to provide overall scalability for such a diverse set of network participants. Now we will discuss the Cardano price prediction for 2022-2025 based on the following concept. The cryptocurrency exchange rate is one of the most important factors to consider. At the moment, the rate at the beginning of February is $1.05. The maximum rate is $1.25, the minimum is 79 cents. The average exchange rate per month is 99 cents. Forecast of the Cardano rate at the end of the month 85 cents, change for February minus 19.0%. Cryptocurrencies have become a big hit and, at the same time, a loss situation paradigm for some users. So, traders and investors are always looking for rate predictions down to the smallest detail and want to know the answers to these frequently asked questions. Is Cardano, ADA, a good investment? How much will Cardano be worth in 2025? Or how much will Cardano be worth in 10 years? Long-term and short-term investment in any cryptocurrency will be discussed in detail. Interestingly, questions such as whether we are making any investments in ADA or whether Cardano will survive in the next few years are unknown. Before moving on to the next topic, let's talk about an overview of Cardano, ADA, and a brief introduction to this fast-growing cryptocurrency. Cardano is currently worth 76 cents United States dollars, with a market cap of $25,632,863,248, making it the 8th most valuable coin. ADA has a 24-hour volume of $2,928,022,475, according to the TechNews Leader Price Index. The price of Cardano has changed minus 19.15% in the previous 24 hours. Over the past 7 days, the price of ADA has changed by minus 28.81%. It is limited to a maximum of 33,626,462,852 coins. Cardano price prediction for 2022 ADAs have huge potential. With certain interactions and innovations, it is possible to increase the number of users and advertising. If the market focuses on investing in Cardano, the price could rise much higher. By 2022, it may reach a maximum value of $1.40. ADA is expected to reverse slightly if the market goes down. The year 2022 could end with an average price of $1.23, a minimum price of $1.19, and a maximum price of $1.40. ADA prediction 2023 for a long-term forecast of the Cardano price. Basic analysis is important. In terms of industry benefits, the native token offers several. The autonomy of the digital economy makes it ideal. As dApp and stablecoins evolve, the network offers competitive programmable payment, logistics, and storage options. There is a possibility that the average ADA price will rise to around $1.79 by 2023 if the idea attracts more investors. For 2023, the year may end with a maximum price of $2.04 with a minimum price level $1.74.